Hey beautiful, wanted to do a quick unboxing with you. I got my sparkling lemonade and my box of lipstick Boss Beauty. So let's go ahead and get this opened so I can share this with you. I'm most excited about, let's see. I'm most excited about the 1010 signature lipstick. Let me see where that is. I want to show that to you. Let me see. Is it this one? This one is it. This is the 1010. This is our signature lipstick. It is a candy apple red, and a portion of all the proceeds are going to mental health awareness, to depression and mental health charities, missions. It is a beautiful candy apple, and it's one of those colors that's universal. It looks amazing on everybody. It is a moisturizing lipstick. It has all of your oils in there, which are hydrating for the lips. And I love the case because it's what they call the sky view, because on the top of the case, you can see into the tube. So you know when you're digging it out of the bottom of your handbag, you know which one it is. All right, thanks for joining me. Stay bold. Bye-bye.